The next tool that we are going to learn after the screenshot is the show clock. So show clock means we are having a physical clock here to see the time. The next one, the next option is the calendar, our physical normal calendar. You can see the normal calendar. The next option that we are going to see is the dictation. So what the dictation does, it will dictate a certain paragraph that I have selected for you. Okay, for example, the system will dictate a certain paragraph that I have selected for you. So let's see with an example. So what we have to do, we have to go to the desktop mode. Okay, then we will open a PDF file. So I am going to open a PDF file. So now you can see I have opened a PDF file, right? So this is the PDF file. So I need a particular portion. For example, I need this paragraph to be dictated for me. So what I have to do, I have to select this paragraph. Okay, so you can see I have selected the paragraph, long press, and you have to copy that paragraph. Okay, so now I have selected the paragraph, I have copied it. Now you have to create a text file. Okay, for example, I want to create a text file. Long press, now you can see new, tap on new. Now you can see the text document. You have to save for the dictation, you have to save that file in text document only. So click on text document. Now the text document is created. Now let's rename it. For example, I am going to rename it as chemistry. As an example, let's rename it as chemistry. Okay, now double tap on chemistry, long press and paste. Now you can see I have selected the paragraph from the PDF. I have selected, copied, and I have pasted it on the board, right? Now you have to save that file. Now the text document is saved. Next, what you have to do, you have to go to the sense board. Okay, take the sense board, go to tools, select the dictation menu. Okay, after selecting the dictation menu, browse for the file. Okay, so tap on browse file, go to desktop. For example, I have created the file in desktop. Click on chemistry, click on open. Now go to start. So after tapping on play button, what you can see that the paragraph that I have copied and the system is dictating for me. So let's see.
1, 2, and multi-walled, several concentric tubes, single-walled carbon nanotubes, SWCNTs, can be considered to be formed.
Now you have seen that example of a dictation. That means the system will read the specific paragraph or statement for us. Okay, now let's go to the next tool, that is the page replay. So the next tool is the page replay. So what the page replay does, the system will replay what all contents that I have written on the sense board. It will replay for us. Okay, let's see an example. So I am going to take a session on computer motherboard. So I am, with the help of the pen tool, I am writing on the board computer motherboard. Okay, so the first statement that I am going to write is that it consists of 4 parts. Okay, I have just written that computer motherboard. I am going to take that topic on computer motherboard. The first statement, it consists of 4 parts. So the first part is the peripherals. Okay, second is the processor unit. Okay, third and fourth. Okay, what all content that I have written, I am going to write. So let's consider. So I am going to take a class for 1 hour, and after 50 minutes, okay, I am getting a 10 minutes of revision time. So what I can do, with the help of the page replay, what all things that I have written on the board from the very beginning, I can replay it for you. So what you have to do, go to tools, go to page replay and click on play. Now what you can see, what all things that I have written in the beginning, it will just replay for me, so that at any time then I can pause, then I can just revise with the students what all things that I have taught in the class. So this is the page replay option. The next tool that we are going to see is the board in board. So the next option is the board in board option. So what the board in board option is, after tapping on board in board, you can see a secondary board has been formed. So just consider that this is the primary board. So what now you are seeing is the primary board, and you can have a additional secondary board here also. So what is the function of that? So if I am going to take a maths class and if I am using a equation, okay, simultaneously, okay, I am using the same tool simultaneously, same equation simultaneously, what I can do, I can write that equation in this secondary board. Now whenever that equation is needed, what just I have to do, I have to just drag the secondary board, then I can take that equation that I have written, and now what you can do, you can teach it on the primary board. So we are getting an additional secondary board in the same primary board itself. So the next tool that we are going to see is the browser. Okay, so what the browser does, in the sense board itself you are having a inbuilt browser option. So if you want to search anything, if you are searching a content that is related to your topic, if you want to convey to the students more about that topic, what you can do, directly in the sense board we are providing a browser. Click on browser. So with the help of the internet, what you can do, you can search it on the web at ease, and you can convey to the students more about that topic that you are going to teach. So that is the browser option. So this is the tools. So we have seen the splitter, magnifier, timer, screen wrap, screenshot, show clock, calendar, dictation, page replay, board in board, and browser. So these are the some important tools that is present in the sense board.